Hello and welcome. My name is Jacob DeBoer, and today I'm going to be taking you through the 2018 Nautique G25. It's a pre-owned boat we just got here on trade here at our Rogers store. Right away, I'm just going to point out the exterior here. It's really cool. You got that classic surf design on the exterior with a bunch of metal flake. Got the silver metal flake along with the blue complement of it with a white stripe along there as well. Really cool. Looking up, you can see the manual tower with the white on there continued. Now, let's go to the stern of the boat. So you're gonna see the swim platform right away. Really nice. You got that non-skid on there. And look below, you can actually see your surf pipe. So if you wanted to steer this guy, steer assist is available on here as well. And you got your NSS surf system. So it's got these blades that pop out on either side. It's one of those patented Nautique specializations. All right, so that was the exterior. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, guys, welcome to the interior of the Nautique G25. What do I want to point out? So you got the non-skid flooring right in the middle here. You actually have a great walkway to the interior of the boat, so it's nice to utilize that. Looking off to both sides here, these are actually integrated storage units because of the subfloor ballast. You have a lot of deep space you can see in there, more of the non-skid flooring. Goes back up like so. Now let's utilize that walkway. We're walking through here. As you can see, you can step on it, not have to worry about stepping on any of this great upholstery. So as we look at that, you can see this great wraparound seating. It's a lot of space for you and your passengers on this boat. This G25, it's a 25-foot boat, so you get a lot of space for a lot of people. And as we come back here, you can see this seat actually pulls up and back. Lift up the backrest, gives you a chance for your passengers to view the surfer. So it's a nice option there for the seating. Close back up and slides back into place. If you look off to the sides here, you see that integrated JL audio speakers. So you see these speakers throughout the boat, kind of integrated into the design so they don't pop out too much. So nice little feature that Nautique adds with the cup holders as well, of course. Coming up, looking at the tower, it's a manual tower that you got on this one. See a strapless board racks, you got these on both sides. Let's slide up, slide your board right in there. Cool feature. Looking up, you see JL audio speakers on top of that as well, facing aft so that the surfer can hear those well. Then, coming up a little bit farther, opposite side of the helm, you got this space here with storage. And you got your JL audio head unit in there, covered up at the moment, but you can access that. Closes up. Once that closes, it gives you a really good view through the windshield here. Looking down, this seat is actually a really good spot for storage. Really deep. You can fit your skis in here. You can fit a few extra boards in here if you would like, or whatever else. If you look back in there, you can see a subwoofer. So that JL audio continues even inside of here with a subwoofer, gives you an extra bass boost. Closes up. See more of those speakers throughout the boat. All right, coming to the helm. Looking right away, you got a race car inspired seat, and it's a flip up bolster. Lift that up if you would like. Slides into place. Just elevate you that much more. See the front that much better. As I sit here, get a view of the Link Panorama screen at the right here. So this lights up. It is a touch screen that you can use. If you don't like touch screens, well, you got a little joystick or a little stick here that you can use to navigate it. And with specific buttons, little presets to make it that much easier to navigate the screen here. And obviously a really nice steering wheel and a spot for you to store your phone. All right, come up a little bit farther to the bow. Got a windshield here that closes up, and you got an air dam here integrated into the boat. So you don't have to find a place to store this. It slides back in when you don't want to use it, slides into place when you want to. Slide that back, push that down, back and stored. Let's look at the bow here. Really spacious bow, a lot of seating here, and you actually have seating options. So this in the middle here, it's a flip up bolster seat. So you can actually flip this up and that non-skid can be on top of there. So if you wanted to step off of the front, you could, and you don't have to worry about stepping on this upholstery, or you could take it out completely if you want a little bit deeper seating, places to put your feet on either side. But if you want to lounge out on either side here, say two people facing forward in the boat, and armrests. Lift those up. There's one. There's the other. You got a nice relaxing spot where they can face the bow of the boat or past the bow of the boat. And of course, you got JL audio continued in this area as well with more cup holders. So This has been the 2018 Nautique G25. It's a really sweet boat here that we got. It's pre-owned. It's available at our Rogers store. So feel free to give us a call or just stop in and make an appointment. Thanks.